Hey there, welcome back to SAP. In this video, we are going to understand the establishment of RFC destinations for ML services. So here, when we talk about maintaining RFC destinations for ML services in SAP, it simply means that we are going to be setting up a secure connection between SAP and an external machine learning system. So SAP will send business data to ML service, and it is going to get back the insights from the ML system, and SAP is going to use them in business process. For example, SAP can send business data like sales history or material details to ML services. Now, ML service will process the data and it will send back the predictions or the insights to the SAP system. So now RFC destinations will allow SAP to safely connect, send data, or receive results from machine learning services, wherein SAP is not going to do any heavy processing itself. So this RFC destination is connected to ML services on configuration. So here, if you come into material management, purchasing, so here you have intelligent insights for procurement. So maintain RFC destinations for machine learning services. So here you go into new entries, and here the outbound service ID, you're going to pick either the contract proposal, image, based buying, or whatever. And then you will also click on activate and provide the RFC destination, which is already set in the system. So this is where we are going to build that connection between SAP and the external machine learning system. So this is all about it, wherein we need to know like where it is going to be configured. That is it. It's a very small video on ML connection to the RFC destinations. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you.